Epdm roofing membranes, the ultimate solution for durable and long-lasting roof protection. Hello friends, today we will discuss the reasons behind the impressive durability of Epdm roofing membranes, which can last over 50 years, as well as their other excellent features. We will also examine a brief history, the studies, market availability, and international standards of Epdm roofing membrane. Join us as we explore why Epdm rubber is the ultimate material for roof protection, with insights into its history, scientific basis, and remarkable properties. History of Epdm. Let us start with the history of Epdm. Developed by DuPont in the 1960s, Epdm or ethylene propylene diene monomer has since become a widely used material in various outdoor applications, including construction. Exceptional properties of Epdm. So, what makes Epdm so special? Here are some of its exceptional properties. Excellent resistance to ozone, water, extreme weather, UV radiation, microbial growth, and heat from minus 45 degree centigrade to 120 degree centigrade. These properties make Epdm an ideal material for outdoor applications. Real life examples. Let us look at some real life examples of Epdm in action. Wiper blades. Epdm's excellent resistance to heat, ozone, and weather makes it an ideal material for wiper blades. Epdm gaskets in rail coaches. Epdm's resistance to heat, ozone, and weather ensures a tight seal and prevents water leakage, especially in air-conditioned coaches with heavy window glasses. These gaskets are also used in automobile vehicles and aircraft. Interestingly, Epdm components used in wiper blades or gaskets for rail coaches have a life expectancy of over 50 years. This means that, barring physical damage, Epdm components will continue to function even after the wiper blade or rail coach has reached the end of its service life. Longevity of Epdm roofing membranes. A study by the German institute SKIZ in 2004 found that Epdm roofing membranes can last over 50 years. See the reference, please. The study team collected real samples from 20 to 30-year-old installations on residential buildings in Western Europe. After 2 years of lab-scale aging studies, the samples showed no signs of cracks, deformation, or damage, and they predicted another 20 years of service life for the 20 to 30-year-old installations. My own research on the aging properties of Epdm has shown its excellent resistance to ozone, heat, water, and gamma radiation. Please see reference 2. As per ASTM D471, maximum water absorption permitted on Epdm roofing membrane is 9%, but the study showed that Epdm has absorbed just 0.4% water and that there was no ozone cracks developed on ozone exposed Epdm even after the exposure of 120 hours. Resistance to heat and gamma radiations were also excellent in Epdm. This makes Epdm an ideal material for roofing membranes. Formulation of roofing membrane. Here is a table showing the typical formulation of an Epdm roofing membrane. The table shows the principal polymer used in the recipe is Epdm rubber. Other than Epdm, carbon black, fast extrusion furnace black, paraffinic oil, clay, stearic acid, zinc oxide, sulfur, dicumyl peroxide DCP, DCBS, BHA, and 6-PPD are also used in the recipe. Are there any volatile matters or animal attracting components present in Epdm? The vulcanization temperature of Epdm ranges from 160 degrees centigrade to 180 degrees centigrade, ensuring that any volatile components in the compound are completely eliminated during the process. Moreover, the boiling point of paraffinic oil exceeds 300 degrees centigrade, making it impossible for volatile matters to be emitted at atmospheric temperatures. As for attracting animals, Epdm membranes are inert and do not contain any substances that might attract ants, monkeys, or other wildlife. In fact, since its introduction in 1970, there have been no reported incidents of Epdm roofing membranes attracting animals. Furthermore, the chemicals used in the membrane are environmentally friendly as they are fully consumed during the vulcanization process and the dry fillers remain in the membrane to achieve specific properties, posing no environmental threats. Types of Epdm roofing membranes. We have two types of Epdm roofing membranes. Black Epdm roofing membrane with and without self-adhesive, white Epdm roofing membrane which offers lower UV protection compared to black Epdm. Selection of adhesives. Water and solvent-based adhesives compatible for Epdm can be used for the installation. Water-based adhesives. Usually, acrylic emulsions are recommended. Aquasol 205 and Carlysil's Sure Bond WB are some examples. Drying time 10 to 30 minutes. Solvent-based adhesives. Synthetic rubber-based adhesives are generally used. Epdm bonding adhesive EBA, Carlysil's Sure Bond SB, and Epdm X23. Low volatile compound from Carlysil are some of them. Drying time 10 to 30 minutes. Cost comparison. The cost of Epdm roofing membranes varies depending on the region. In India, it costs around rupees 538 per square meter, while in the US, it costs between $3 to 6 per square meter. Roofing installation images. Here are some images of Epdm roofing installations. See the perfection in the installations without wrinkles, bubbles or any deformity. The lifespan of the Epdm installation is over 50 years provided the installation is done without any flaws. See the images. Machinery. Here are some images of the basic machinery used in Epdm roofing membrane protection. Mixing mills, intermix, kneader, calendar machine and large air ovens or autoclaves are necessary for the making of Epdm roofing membrane. Video clips. Here are some video clips showing the production process of Epdm roofing membranes. The process involves mixing Epdm rubber with fillers, curatives and other additives in an intermix followed by sheeting out the membrane as per the required thickness 1.2 mm, 1.5 mm or 2 mm initially in a mixing mill and then through a calendering machine. It follows the vulcanization of the membrane in an oven or autoclave. Please see the video clips. ASTM specifications. To ensure the quality of Epdm roofing membranes, they must meet the ASTM specifications ASTM D4637, ASTM D297 for chemical analysis, ASTM D412 for physical properties, ASTM D1149 for ozone resistance test, ASTM D471 for water absorption test, and ASTM D573 for heat resistance test. Some of the specifications are principal polymer Epdm above 95%, tensile strength 9 megapascal, elongation at break 300%, hardness 65 plus or minus 5 Fourier, brittleness point 45 degree centigrade. By following these specifications, manufacturers can ensure that their Epdm roofing membranes meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, Epdm rubber is the ideal choice for roof protection due to its exceptional properties, longevity, and scientific backing. Whether you are a homeowner, architect, or builder, Epdm roofing membrane offer a reliable and durable solution for your roofing needs. Thank you for watching. Thank you.